Alam mo, itong litrato ko, hindi ka nag-isip. Hindi to murder she wore. Walang concept. Gusto ko na mag-post. Wala akong pakialam sa Karina, wala akong pakialam sa director. Gusto ko na nakatingin ako sa camera. And it's the same Gemma that I see every week.
I think last week was a worse shot. So I can say that this week naman, I can see that you tried. Just try experimenting more with your poses. Magwala ka next week. Nandito ka pa. Rina.
Rina, may pag-chemotherapy ka ba? Hulaan mo ba kami? Ano bang gusto mong gawin?
Rina, tanggalin mo naman yung bandana mo. Yeah.
What's the new look? Wanted.
Di ba yung direksyon?
Oh.
Hindi effective yung chemo. Ano pala eh?
Okay, Rina, this is your best shot.
Rina, so far, ito ang pinaka-favorite kong picture mo. Parang sinasabi mo kay Gemma, uuwi ka na sa picture na to. Parang gano'n. Uwi ka na, Gemma. Parang gano'n, ha?
After the shoot, I saw something in you na pwedeng maging top model. In this shot, ikaw ang winner for me. Girls better watch out for you. Exactly.
Next, we have Sheena.